In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Salesforce Partner Platform Network. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the official Partner Network website at partners.salesforce.com. Make sure you type the address carefully so you land on the correct official page. It's always a good idea to confirm that the site is secure before entering any business information, especially when you're dealing with registration and account access. Once the page loads, look for the Join Now button and click it. This is the main action that begins the enrollment process. Depending on the page layout, the button may appear prominently near the top of the screen or within the main content area. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to fully load and then scan the screen carefully. After selecting Join Now, you'll be asked to log in with an active corporate Salesforce account. This should be either a Salesforce Developer Edition account or a production account with administrator level access. Be sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, since this profile will be tied to the application process and partner access setup. If you manage multiple Salesforce accounts, take an extra moment to verify that you're signing in with the appropriate one for your organization. Once you're logged in, you'll move on to the official enrollment form. Here, you'll need to complete the registration details by entering your company information, business registration data, and the geographic regions where your organization operates. Take your time with this section and make sure everything is accurate and consistent. Small mistakes in company details or regional information can slow down the review process, so it's worth double-checking each field before continuing. When the form is complete, review your application carefully and then submit it. After submission, you'll be prompted to pay the required annual partner program tier fee. This payment is part of the onboarding process and is necessary to unlock access to the official partner portal. Before finalizing payment, it's helpful to confirm that your selected program tier matches your company's goals and expected level of participation. Once the application has been submitted and the fee has been processed successfully, you'll be on your way to accessing the Partner Portal Hub. From there, you can continue with the next stages of your partner journey inside the Salesforce ecosystem. That's it for this process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.